Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video, I will show you to add a quick button on shop page in your WordPress e-commerce website. So first of all, we can go to plugins and here we can install a new plugin. You can go and search for Shop Lantern plugin. Now we can install this plugin and activate. Now on this page here you can see elements, modules. You can click here modules, then scroll down and here you can see this one, quick view. You can click on settings. After that you can enable, and then you can also enable on shop and archive pages. If you want to enable this feature on mobile, then you can enable this button. And after that here you can select the button position before add to cart, after add to cart. Then here you can add button text, quick view, and after that here you can add button icon, then scroll down. After that click on save changes. Now let's go and reload this page. Now here you can see quick view button is added. Simply you can click here and now you can get all the details about the product here.